Mommy.
Yeah, baby. You got the hiccups?
Mommy, a robot has hands. Robot car has hands.
The robot car has hands? Is he big and strong?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.